In this video, we shall see how to solve the ith root of I. Now, the first thing we need to do is write this in a different way. I is the same as I to the power of 1, where 1 is the exponent and then this I is the index. And this can also be written as I to the power of 1 divided by I, where this is the exponent and this I is the index. And now what we need to do is multiply this by I and also multiply this by I. So we shall have I raised to the power of I divided by I times I, which is I to the power of 2. And so we shall have I raised to the power of I divided by, now from complex numbers, I to the power of 2 is the same as negative 1. So we shall divide this by negative 1. And this will be equal to I to the power of negative I. Now from the rules of exponents, whenever you have a to the power of negative b, you can take it to the bottom, and the negative exponent will become positive. So this will be equal to 1 divided by a to the power of b. So we shall write this in the same way. This will give us 1 divided by I to the power of positive I. Now I to the power of I has many values, and we cannot use all of them in this video, so we shall use only one of them. One of the values of I to the power of I is e to the power of negative pi divided by 2. So we shall replace this with that. This will give us 1 divided by e to the power of negative pi divided by 2. And from the rules of exponents, we can take this to the top and the negative exponent will become positive. So our final answer will be e to the power of positive pi divided by 2. Therefore, that's how you can solve this. If you have found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.